Hi, welcome to Life's Delightful Bite. Today's vlog is about one of the most iconic landmarks of the UAE, the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi. Whenever tourists visit the UAE, this place is always on the top of their must visit list. And honestly, it's surprising that even after living here for so many years, I have not been here before. So I finally planned this visit, and wow, it was absolutely worth it. As soon as we reached, we could see how popular this mosque is. There were so many visitors, people from all over the world, and yes, a proper queue to enter. But the moment you step inside, everything feels calm, peaceful, and breathtaking. As we walk towards the Sheikh Zayed Great Mosque, let me share a little with you. This magnificent mosque was built between 1996 and 2007 and was officially opened in 2007. It was named after the late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the founding father of the UAE. His vision was to create a place that welcomes people from all cultures and showcases the beauty of Islamic architecture, and truly the vision that has come to life here. Before entering the mosque, you will notice a shopping and visitor area. There are small shops where you can buy souvenirs, Islamic books, prayer items, and also abayas and scarves for those who need to follow the dress code. There are cafes and resting areas too, which makes the wait comfortable, especially when there is a long queue. Talking about the dress code, it is very important here. Visitors are required to dress modestly. As you continue walking towards the mosque, the pathway itself feels like a journey. On both sides of the walkways, you'll notice a beautiful framed images and displays on the walls. These pictures showcase the life of Sheikh Zayed, the construction of the mosque, and powerful quotes about peace, tolerance, and unity. It really sets a mood and prepares you for what you're going to experience inside. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is true symbol of unity, faith, and culture. Built with stunning white marble, the mosque reflects different Islamic architectural styles from around the world. The grand domes, the beautiful arcs, and the intricate floral designs are simply mesmerizing. Every detail feels thoughtfully crafted. One of the highlights inside the world's largest hand knotted carpet and the magnificent chandeliers adorned with crystals that sparkle beautifully as light falls on them. The mosque looks different at every hour, glowing softly during the day and turning magical at sunset and night. The mosque has over 1,000 pillars, all decorated with delicate floral designs inlaid with semi precious stones. These pillars represent the beauty of nature and add a soft, elegant touch to the grand structure. Walking between them feels peaceful, especially as the white marble reflects the light. Every step closer makes you feel smaller in front of this architectural masterpiece. The calmness, the symmetry, and the attention to detail make the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque not just a place to visit, but a place to truly feel. This visit reminded me of the beauty of the UAE, its respect for culture, diversity. If you're visiting the UAE, or even if you live here and haven't been yet, this is a place you must experience at least once. So come along with me, take in the beauty, the serenity, and the grandeur of the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, and let's enjoy this journey together. If you like this vlog, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Life's Delightful Bites. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to know when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching.